Hello and welcome. I am so glad you have joined me today. We are about to embark on a journey together. It is a journey into the world of gentle, flowing movement. We will explore a practice that has been cherished for centuries. It has an incredible ability to heal and strengthen the body from the inside out. This practice is called Tai Chi. Perhaps you have heard of it before. You might have even seen people practicing its graceful forms in a park. They move slowly, with intention, almost like they are dancing with the air itself. It is a beautiful sight to behold. But Tai Chi is so much more than just a beautiful dance. It is a powerful tool for enhancing your health, improving your balance, and bringing a sense of calm and clarity to your mind. In our modern world, we are often told that fitness has to be intense. We see images of people pushing their bodies to the absolute limit. We hear slogans like, "No pain, no gain." This can be very intimidating, especially if you are new to exercise, or if you are dealing with the aches and pains that can come with age. Many of us feel that this high-impact world of fitness is not for us. It might even feel like we have been left behind. But I am here to tell you that there is another way. There is a path to fitness that is gentle, kind, and incredibly effective. It is a path that respects your body and works with it, not against it. This is the path of Tai Chi. Today we will be focusing on one of the most remarkable benefits of this ancient art: joint relief. Our joints are the amazing hinges of our body. They allow us to walk, to bend, to reach, and to live our lives to the fullest. But over time they can become stiff and sore. This discomfort can limit our mobility and steal our joy. Many people believe that joint pain is an inevitable part of getting older, a problem to be managed but never truly solved. We are often told that the only solutions are rest or medication. However, the science of movement tells us a very different and much more hopeful story. It tells us that gentle, mindful movement is one of the best things we can do for our joints. This session is designed for everyone. It does not matter if you are a senior looking to regain mobility, a nerd fascinated by the science of the human body, or simply someone who is curious about a new way to feel better. You do not need any special equipment or previous experience. All you need is an open mind and a willingness to try something new. We will explore how Tai Chi's slow, deliberate movements can help lubricate your joints, reduce inflammation, and build strength in the muscles that support them. We will uncover the secrets of meditation in motion and learn how it can transform not just your body, but your entire sense of well-being. So let's begin this wonderful exploration together. It is a curious thing about human nature. We often search for complex solutions to our problems. When we face a challenge like joint pain, we tend to look for a magic pill or a complicated new technology. We read about intricate surgical procedures or expensive therapies. We are surrounded by marketing that promises quick fixes and revolutionary breakthroughs. So it is completely understandable why we might overlook the simple, elegant, and time-tested solutions that are right in front of us. The idea that something as gentle and simple as slow movement could be a powerful remedy for joint pain seems almost too good to be true. Think about the messages we receive about exercise every day. They are often about pushing harder, going faster, lifting heavier. Fitness is presented as a battle against our bodies. We are encouraged to conquer our limits and feel the burn. This high-intensity approach certainly has its place for some people at some stages of their lives, but for many, it is not only unappealing, but also potentially harmful, especially for those with sensitive joints. This constant focus on intensity has created a blind spot in our collective understanding of health. We have forgotten the profound power of gentleness. We have forgotten that our bodies are not machines to be driven, but living systems that respond beautifully to care, attention, mindful movement. This is where the nerdy side of our exploration comes in. The science behind gentle movement is absolutely fascinating. When we move our joints through their full range of motion in a slow and controlled way, something wonderful happens. We encourage the production of synovial fluid. You can think of this fluid as your body's own natural lubricant. It is like applying oil to a squeaky hinge. This fluid nourishes the cartilage, the smooth tissue that cushions the ends of our bones. Without sufficient movement, the cartilage can become starved of nutrients and begin to break down, leading to pain and stiffness. Gentle exercise, like Tai Chi, is a direct and effective way to deliver this vital nourishment right where it is needed most. So the simplest solution is often the most scientifically sound one. It is not about avoiding movement to protect your joints. It is about choosing the right kind of movement. Movement that heals instead of harms. Movement that builds strength without creating stress. This is a fundamental shift in perspective. It requires us to unlearn the no pain, no gain mantra and embrace a new, one gentle movement, lasting benefit. By understanding the science, we can move forward with confidence. We can trust that these simple, flowing motions are not just a pleasant way to pass the time. They are a deeply therapeutic practice, grounded in the very biology of how our bodies are designed to function and thrive. Let me share a surprising fact with you. Did you know that some of our most common daily habits might be contributing to our joint pain more than we realize? I am not talking about major injuries or accidents. I am talking about the small, seemingly insignificant things we do every day. One of the biggest culprits is something many of us do for hours on end: sitting, at a desk, in front of the television, in a car. Hip flexors shorten, shoulders round forward, joints held in a fixed position. This lack of movement is the enemy of joint health. Engage warp drive. Hit like to boost your fitness signal and subscribe to join the intergalactic squad of nerds getting fit. Like leaving a car in a garage for months. When you try to start it, everything is stiff. Our bodies are designed for movement, walking, bending, squatting, reaching. That constant motion kept joints fluid and muscles strong. In our modern sedentary lives, we've lost that pattern. Think about your day. How much do you sit versus move? The imbalance can be shocking. Prolonged stillness reduces blood flow to muscles and joints. It prevents the fluid exchange that keeps cartilage nourished. Chronic stiffness, weakness, pain. It's slow and gradual, so we miss the connection between cause and effect. But it's not just sitting. Standing, walking. Poor posture places uneven stress on joints. Slumped shoulders, leaning to one side. Over years, this wears down cartilage. Think osteoarthritis. Even your shoes can play a role. Ankles, knees, hips, spine, chain reaction. These subtle everyday factors can undermine joint health. The good news, we can change these habits. The first step is awareness. Recognize how routines affect your body and make small changes. Not drastic overnight transformations. Move more, sit less. Pay attention to posture. It's not just age or genes. Lifestyle matters. Practices like Tai Chi do more than give exercise time. They retrain our bodies. Better posture, improved balance, greater awareness. So, what exactly is Tai Chi, and how can it be our ally in this quest for healthier joints? Tai Chi is often described as meditation in motion, and that is a perfect place to start. Imagine an exercise that not only strengthens your body, but also calms your mind at the same time. That is the essence of Tai Chi. Unlike exercises that focus on isolated muscle groups or pure cardiovascular effort, Tai Chi integrates the body, mind, breath into a single harmonious whole. It originated centuries ago in China. It was developed as a martial art and gradually evolved into the gentle practice we know today. The movements in Tai Chi are slow, circular, flowing. There are no abrupt starts or stops. Each posture melts seamlessly into the next. This continuous flow is key to joint health. You guide your joints through their natural range of motion without jarring impacts on sensitive knees, hips, shoulders, gently coaxing mobility instead of forcing it. This stimulates circulation, oxygen-rich blood to tissues, and helps flush out inflammatory byproducts that cause pain and stiffness, deeply nourishing and restorative for the whole body. The meditation aspect is as important as the motion. Focus on your breath and on the physical sensations of movement. That mindful focus quiets the mind's constant chatter. Our high-stress lives flood the body with cortisol. Engage warp drive. Hit like to boost your fitness signal and subscribe to join the intergalactic squad of nerds getting fit, which can increase inflammation and amplify pain. Deep breathing and concentration activate the relaxation response. That lowers stress levels, reduces inflammation, and even changes how the brain processes pain. You're training your nervous system to be calmer and more resilient. This blend of movement and mental focus makes Tai Chi powerful and accessible. It's not about age, your fitness level, or your flexibility. It's about showing up and moving with gentle intention. Learn to listen to your body, respect your limits, and find strength in softness. Today we won't master a complex routine. We'll learn a few foundational movements. You'll feel how Tai Chi can unlock stiffness and bring ease and freedom to your body. Let's get ready to experience the gentle power of Tai Chi. To truly understand Tai Chi, we must journey back in time, to the misty mountains and ancient philosophies of China. The exact origins of Tai Chi are shrouded in legend, with stories passed down through generations. One popular legend attributes its creation to a Taoist monk named Zheng Sanfeng, who lived around the 12th century. It is said that he was inspired by watching a crane and a snake in combat. The crane was aggressive and direct, while the snake was fluid, yielding, and evasive. The snake ultimately tired out the crane by using softness and circular movements to deflect the bird's sharp attacks. This observation sparked a profound realization in Zheng Sanfeng. Yielding and softness could overcome brute force and hardness. This principle became the very foundation of Tai Chi Chuan. While the story of the crane and the snake is a beautiful metaphor, historical records point to a more concrete origin in the 17th century. The practice is most reliably traced back to Chen Wangting, a retired army general from the Chen village in Henan province. Drawing upon his knowledge of martial arts, traditional Chinese medicine, and Taoist principles of energy flow, he developed a new system of movement. This system was designed not only for self-defense but also for improving health, vitality, and longevity. It integrated slow, graceful movements with faster, more explosive ones, all guided by the principles of internal energy cultivation. The Chen family guarded this art closely for many generations, passing it down only within their community. Over the centuries, this practice began to spread beyond the Chen village. One of the most significant figures in its popularization was Yang Luchan, who, in the 19th century, managed to learn the art and later brought it to the imperial court in Beijing. He was so skilled that he earned the nickname Yang the Invincible. Yang Luchan modified the original Chen style, removing some of the more overtly martial and physically demanding movements, such as leaps and explosive strikes. He created a form that was slower, smoother, and more accessible to the general public, including the elderly and those who were not trained fighters. This new Yang style of Tai Chi became incredibly popular and is now the most widely practiced style around the world. The journey of Tai Chi from a closely guarded martial secret to a global health phenomenon is a testament to its profound effectiveness and universal appeal. It has crossed cultural and geographical boundaries, embraced by millions for its ability to reduce stress, improve balance, and enhance overall well-being. What began as a system of combat has evolved into a powerful prescription for navigating the challenges of modern life. When we practice Tai Chi today, we are connecting with this rich history. We are participating in a lineage of wisdom that has been refined over hundreds of years, a practice rooted in the deep understanding of the human body and its connection to the natural world. It is a living tradition that continues to offer immense value in our contemporary lives. At the very heart of Tai Chi lies a profound and ancient philosophy, the concept of Yin and Yang. A clean yin-yang graphic with labels, soft, hard, empty, full, inward, outward. You have likely seen the symbol, a circle divided by a flowing line, two teardrop shapes, one black, yin, and one white, yang, each with a small dot of the opposite color. The symbol represents the Taoist idea that the universe is made of opposing yet complementary forces. Yin is associated with darkness. Yin is associated with passivity. Yin is associated with softness. Yin is associated with downward movement. Yang represents light. Yang represents activity. Yang represents hardness. Yang represents upward movement. The philosophy teaches harmony is found when forces flow together, not when one crushes the other. One cannot exist without the other. They define and complete each other. This philosophy isn't just abstract. It's embodied in every movement. As you practice, you play with that interplay. For example, shift your weight onto one leg. That leg becomes full, yang, solid, rooted, active. The other leg becomes empty, yin, light, relaxed, ready to move. This continuous shifting from substantial to insubstantial is a core principle. Likewise, every movement contains its opposite. An upward motion, Yang, balanced by a downward feeling of rootedness, Yin, an outward expansion, Yang, preceded and followed by an inward contraction, Yin. This creates wholeness and integrity in the body. That constant dance is what makes Tai Chi great for the joints. Unlike exercises that are purely Yang, aggressive or purely Yang, forceful or purely Yin, completely passive stretching, Tai Chi integrates both. Movements are soft and yielding, protecting the joints, yet they build strength, and they build stability as you support your weight with control. Circular, spiraling motions move joints through their natural range. This helps break down adhesions, reduce stiffness, and promote the healthy flow of synovial fluid. It's the physical application of finding harmony through balance. Understanding this can transform practice into a moving meditation. Instead of going through the motions, you can feel the subtle interplay inside your body. Notice the feeling of emptiness. Notice the feeling of fullness, rising, sinking, expanding, contracting. This brings deeper awareness and intention to your movements. Engage warp drive. Hit like to boost your fitness signal and subscribe to join the intergalactic squad of nerds getting fit. You're no longer just exercising, you're cultivating balance. That balance can extend into daily life, equilibrium between activity and rest, between doing and being, between stress and relaxation.